this is just gonna be like my video diary entry one, honestly, because I just got home back from the gym and I just had like a protein shake. So now I'm gonna clean up my freaking room because there's like it's a mess everywhere. Like it's a mess. And like for me to like think properly, I need to have like a clean space. I don't know if it's just me or if it's like the same for like other people too. Like say you have a messy room and you can't like really think straight unless you have a clean room and you're like, oh, everything's fine after all. So I'll give it. So hi girl. Alright. And this corner is where I keep like my perfumes, and this is the entryway to my room. So basically it's very small. So very small. You walk in, you can get a view of everything. I did used to have like a twin bed, but I switched it to like a loft bunk because I can have a vanity and more space. And then I bought this mirror here from IKEA. That I think I got off of Amazon. Basically my room is like decorated to like how I want it to, because I got these two pictures. I think I thrifted them too. And then this mirror is, I'm probably trying to think, probably like Big Lots or something like that. But this is like a little book area. My perfumes. Clearly you can tell I'm a vanilla girly because I love Ariana Cloud and I'm already out of it. And this is Mod Vanilla, and then this is Mod Pink, I'm pretty sure. And I just have a razor here laying around. And then this is like where I keep like whatever. And then I have a little flower face thing, and then where I keep my everyday shoes. So let me just organize piece by piece. Okay guys, so I just finished like cleaning up my room, and I just got out the shower too because I needed to, and I have work in like a couple freaking minutes, like 45 minutes, and it's pretty windy out. But anyways, this is the room tour because my room is now clean and now more presentable to show. So here we go. I do have this like little camera. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have a little like long hallway here. And then you path right here. And then you turn to your left. We have my socks, underwear, bras, and extra stuff, and then shoes down there. And then here I have my books, and I just finished reading this one. It was amazing. Right now I'm reading The Mountain is Blue. So far, I'm like chapter 3, but it's really good. So these are just my perfume for my birthday. I got these from Marshall. This razor I don't know if it's it's really here, and I see these like little flower thing I thrifted. This little clear shelf here. Just for like the pop of decoration. And then up here I have these like two frames I got from like Goodwill or like a thrifting store, and I just put it up there because I was like, why not? But they're not really my thing. But I do like the ribbon ones. God, those like macros. But anyways, here I have my little whiteboard. Over here, I have some like plans. This fan, I haven't filmed, but I thrifted it. And then like dirty fan. And then this like someone gave me this. So someone gave me this at work. And I think they were like going on vacation or something like that. Yeah, it's really cute. I was like, how thoughtful is that? It's really cute. And next, this is like a little couch with shoes storage area. And here I have like mini stuff, like wallets, phone cases, and stuff like that. And this one is just pure facts. And then more picture walls. This is like an olive branch frame that I did as well. These are like prints I put on like my job. And then my first wall. And then I have my plants over there. These are curtains I just bought in school. I just need to see all of that. And then over here, this is where like I keep my earrings that I wear and my razor. kitchen, picture of my mom, and then this space that I need to get rid of, or I need to buy some more flowers for the floor. So that's what I'm pretty organized this. But I have my jewelry necklaces over here, and my graduation little tassel. More perfumes up here that I really don't use as often. These are really just spray all over the room, just make it smell good till they're released. And have a little plant in the corner, and another little like cute perfume. And I have a table, but I don't really use it. And I have another little poster over here. And this is my mirror. Sweetie. And I have my little closet over here, but I'm gonna show you guys because it's spotless. So we have a little paper there with ballerina. I thought it was really cute and cool because I like to dance and that's cool. And I have like my birthday princess and then I have another dance one. So I mean that. I did like to buy me some like comforters and stuff like that. But anyways, this I'm gonna have to clean out again, like thoroughly. And I don't have work, but 2 more pictures that I bought. It's my queen walked away to like a leopard tiger. I'm pretty sure. There's some pictures there. Digital camera. That's just like doesn't fit into my drawers. And then my makeup, my everyday makeup is in here. And my makeup, the lens is in there. And then my mirror, just is on there. And tripod, and then my laundry hamper right there because it fits in the cute corner. Just so you guys see it on one trash can. And that's basically it. It's clean as nothing on the floor. I vacuumed yesterday. But yeah, that's basically my room tour. I showed you guys the pictures of me cleaning it and organizing it. And so let's see how I put it all together into a freaking video. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to be getting into the groove of like posting every now and then. See how comfortable I can with it. I really do love posting, but I want to post more content, like random content, just being me, honestly, because you have to be serious stuff. I went to like a little thrift shop, like going to different thrift stores, finding what I can find there. I have a little picnic, getting my nails done, walk, and just these done. But they're still cute, like, don't get me wrong, they're cute and whatever, but they could have definitely been way better in here. Like from a distance, they look fine. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And give this video a like, subscribe even if you want to, even if you are just watching a video and you just see me. But I'm really nice. And that's basically it. I love this. I love doing YouTube. I love to put myself out there and just record and film because guys, I can talk and talk for hours. Like that's my thing. I can talk and talk about literally anything. But that could be all for another video. But again, thank you guys. Bye.